So today we're going to make spiders from pine cones. So you want to start by getting a decent sized pine cone, and you want to cut out the middle stem at the top of it, make a little bit of an indent, and then you can either go natural and use an acorn, or I'm going to use a ping pong ball because it's bigger, it makes it look a little cornier. So grab a large amount of hot glue on the indentation, and then stick your ping pong ball right in the center. And then you want to take some wire. I'm using some old guitar strings, but you could also use wreath wire. It'll actually be a lot easier because guitar strings don't fold that well. And you just want to wrap it around the body of the pine cone, and then twist it around itself on the bottom side to hold it in place. Cut it off so both sides are the same length, and then just fold the ends up to make feet. Those are going to be the spider's legs. And so then you'll just do the same thing with another piece of wire, wrapping it around the body, twisting it around itself, and cutting off the legs and bending them into feet. You'll do that until your pine cone has 4 legs, and at that point it should be able to stand on its own. So then you just paint the whole thing black, and then you'll paint on a face. I used red for the eyes, so I just painted a couple of little red circles for the eyes, and then I did kind of some white fangs because I wanted them to look a little bit corny, like the 50s and 60s cartoons was kind of the look I was going for, so slightly evil but corny. And so there's a little spider, so they're not too creepy, they're just kind of fun to have around for Halloween.